Welcome to Wonder Kids Workshop. Did you know that a child's brain undergoes its most significant development in the first 5 years of life, forming the foundation for all future learning? Imagine if we could unlock the full potential of that developing brain through a revolutionary approach to education. Today, we'll explore a method that goes beyond textbooks and lectures, a method that actively engages young minds and lays the groundwork for a lifelong love of learning. Welcome to the world of activity-based learning. Why are ABL learning-based activities more important for kids? Engagement and interest. ABL methods capture children's interest and engagement by making learning enjoyable and relevant. When children are actively involved in the learning process, they are more likely to retain information. Development of critical skills. ABL emphasizes the development of critical skills such as problem solving, decision-making, and creativity. These skills are crucial for a child's overall development and future success. Holistic learning. ABL takes a holistic approach, addressing not only academic knowledge, but also social, emotional, and physical aspects. This helps in the well-rounded development of a child. Long-term retention. Learning by doing tends to lead to better retention. ABL activities create memorable experiences that help children retain information for a more extended period. What is the ABL method, and where does it come from? Activity-based learning ABL. ABL is an educational approach that emphasizes learning through activities, projects, and hands-on experiences. It moves away from traditional rote memorization and passive learning to a more dynamic and interactive process. Historical roots. The roots of ABL can be traced back to educational philosophers like John Dewey, who advocated for learning through experience. However, the term activity-based learning gained prominence as educational theories evolved, focusing on the importance of active engagement in the learning process. In which countries is the ABL method working nowadays? Global adoption. ABL is implemented globally with varying degrees of emphasis and integration. Countries such as India, the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, and many others have embraced ABL in different forms. The adoption may vary based on educational policies, cultural preferences, and teaching methodologies. How to apply the ABL method at home and school. At home, incorporate educational games and activities that align with the subjects being taught. Create a learning-rich environment with books, puzzles, and interactive materials. Conduct simple experiments or projects that involve the child's active participation. Encourage discussions and questions to stimulate curiosity. At school, design lesson plans that include hands-on activities and projects. Create flexible learning spaces that accommodate different types of activities. Integrate technology to enhance interactive learning experiences. Encourage group projects and collaborative learning. Provide teachers with training on ABL methodologies for effective implementation. What can be expected after applying the ABL method? Improved academic performance. ABL is linked to improved academic performance as students actively engage with the learning material, leading to better understanding and retention. Enhanced critical thinking. ABL activities promote critical thinking and problem-solving skills, which are valuable beyond the classroom setting. Positive attitude towards learning. The enjoyable and interactive nature of ABL often results in a positive attitude towards learning, fostering a love for acquiring knowledge. Remember that successful implementation of ABL requires collaboration between educators, parents, and policymakers to create an environment that supports and encourages active learning. If you find this content intriguing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join us on future explorations into the fascinating world of child development and education. Get ready to decode the intricacies of moral development with Wonder Kids Workshop.